Today is cleaning up after the aftermath of having chickens in my living room. So let me show you around a little bit, show you what having chickens in your living room does. So this is the aftermath of the chickens in the living room. We've got chicken feed dust, we've got toothbrushes and cloths, we've got wood chips, wood shavings, bungee cords, and a lot of dust and dirt. It is my mission today, now that the chickens are out in the barn where they belong, to clean this mess up. So this is what I have going on this afternoon. We got Minions at Mach 12 in the living room. We got some rocking out going over there in the dining room / office. We got someone who wants me to play hair salon again. There's our minion culprit. But the living room's clean. Look at this. No more chicken garbage. Chicken dust is gone. Oh, and of course there's Charlie. Just being a dog. Happy to have his family with him 24/7 now. It's raining outside, so we thought we would do some more microgreens.
Yeah, these are so good. I started putting them on my eggs in the morning. It's awesome. So I'm gonna try that again. We got a couple other varieties too, don't we?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna try, we all like the radish. So I think we're gonna do a little bit more radish and maybe something else a little different.
Yeah, we'll have to look and see what we got. This was kind of a spontaneous decision.
Like, hey, what are we doing? Nothing. Let's plant some microgreens.
I was getting jealous watching all you people who live in warm climates harvest your veggies out of your garden.
Yeah, everybody's pulling out carrots and all sorts of stuff, and we're looking at our little tomato starts. So today we decided to pick some ripe clover seeds to try. We're gonna wet our soil here first. And then you just dump them all on, right?
Yeah, kinda.
These seeds are about the size of a pinhead. I'm just gonna shake some of these clovers. See how little these seeds are? Check it out. See how little? I don't know if you guys can see, but they are super fine. So I'm just gonna shake these out, try to get a good layer over this, over our seed starting mix. There's a lot of seeds left, but I'm barely using them. We'd be eating clover all summer long, just like the cattle. Okay, give them a good watering in here. We're gonna put another tray. We have another black tray here. We're gonna put on top, and then we're gonna put weight on this one. And we're gonna put it in our greenhouse here in the kitchen and wait 3 to 5 days. Just kind of keep an eye on it. Hey guys, the other microgreen we decided to plant today was alfalfa. So these are much like the clover that we just planted. They're real fine seeds here as well. Very super fine seeds. Okay, so now we're just gonna take our alfalfa seeds and shake them on our growing medium. So that's good enough for right there. I'm gonna take this third tray and we're gonna plant daikon radish. So these are a lot bigger seed. Still, radishes are pretty small seeds, but daikons are a little bit bigger. So now we're just gonna wet these in. Start out slow so you're not blowing your seed all over the place. Yeah, some people like to play with their food and tamp stuff going down with fingers and stuff like that. I'm not gonna do that for you today. What we need to do is darken out the alfalfa and the clover here. So I'm going to use the radish tray to do that, because the radish tray doesn't need to be black. So we're going to put this down, and we're going to put this down, and boom, we got weight. So there you have it, folks. We got 3 microgreen dinner coming up here next about week and a half from now. Kids are going to be eating radishes, alfalfa, and clover. Might as well just send them out to the back 40 with cattle.
We're going out to do our chicken chores in the barn like farmers should do, not in their living room. Just kidding. This is how we do our chores on Gagne Farms. We wear our pajamas and our muck boots. Hey, how are the babies doing? I'm going through chickie withdrawal. They're all here now instead of in the living room. I think they're about out of food though. Look, they're about to knock it over.
Okay, Mom is gonna get their food. And there we have a little window.
Oh, I'm bringing a chicken with me. It's like a chicken elevator. Oh, there he goes.
Now Dad's putting that on the hook down there.
I'm trying. Watch out, chickies.
Just
Watch out,
tap them.
chickies.
If you just tap them a little bit, they'll just move.
Well, there's a lot of weight there. I want to crush them.
Mom, want to say anything?
I love that my chickens are out of my living room.
Dad, want to say anything?
I love it that your mom loves it.
And this is how we do chicken chores on Gagne Farms.
We got some sticks back there for purchase because these guys always act like they want to jump and fly and get up on something, and so they're there, but they haven't quite figured it out yet. They like to ride on their merry-go-round over here, aka food dish. Good morning from sunny Gagne Farms.
Howdy.
We got many projects going on today. We got to clear some area for a chicken coop. We got to finish up our chicken tractor here, put some latches and hinges on. We got some things to do around the yard, clearing leaves, stacking wood, cleaning a barn out.
Yep.
So follow us along for our adventures today.
Yeah, you guys, make sure to like and comment and subscribe to our channel, man. We really appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching. So we just got some light duty hinges here. I'm going to throw onto this lid for the chicken tractor, and we're actually going to get it finished up, just the lid, the handle, and I got a barrel latch for it, and I'm going to put a couple ropes on the end so we can pull it around the yard. I'm going to actually set it out in the yard for a while. It's taking up a lot of space in our pole barn. We want to get some other projects going in there, so here we go. Okay, mi amigo, we gotta try to put the hinge on the chicken tractor. So since I don't have my other drill and I can't find the chuck to this drill, I found a self-tapping screw I'm gonna try to use to just drill through this little bit of sheet metal here quick. Basically a pilot screw or pilot hole for my screws. We're gonna see how this works. No guarantees. Oh. I still don't have the chuck key to my drill, and it's gonna be a little while before my other drill batteries come in, so I'm actually just gonna, I got an awl and a hammer. I'm gonna knock a hole here, so basically just a pilot hole through the sheet metal so I can get my screw into the wood. Okay, Candice.
What?
You're the guinea pig. Lift the lid, see if it works.
You got both sides on?
Yeah. Just gonna have a chintzy little handle here, but I wasn't spending a whole lot of money on this thing. It was like $2 or something at Home Depot. And just gonna try to put it in the middle here. Boom, right about there.
we're making your chicken tractor. See how it works. There we go. Look at that. All right, let me try now.
This is Candice's maiden voyage. Keep going all the way over there. You got another 4 feet to go. That's it. You gotta move it that far each day. You can have 2 of them. What you doing? For what?
Huh?
For what?
Clean things up. There's leaves and sticks everywhere. Sorry, I'm out of breath.
Tiger lilies are coming up, but you can't really tell because there's so many leaves around here. That's one bad thing about living in the middle of the woods is leaves are everywhere. It takes forever in the fall to clean up. Even when you do get them cleaned up, they blow back. So we're getting some of this cleaned up here pretty good. I'm gonna go try to fix the leaf blower. Here, air up a tire and put some gas in it. See if I can knock these piles back a little bit.
Hi, Gagne Farms. We're Gagne Farms. Gagne Farms.
So this is the front of the house here since we got all leaves picked up. I was able to get the leaf blower going for probably about a half hour. It's on its last leg. The engine's pretty shot. I'm actually gonna see if I can find a rebuild kit for it or something because it's just a little Briggs & Stratton engine, but it's just got a lot of hours on it. It was used when I got it about 10 years ago, so. And picked up a little bit back here too. So we got this lovely patch of tiger lilies here at the side of the house, and this is about the only thing that'll grow back here. So we actually got it raked out though this year. Usually there's a lot of big pine right here, and there's a lot of pine needles that drop. So I got this right where the blower died, so I'm gonna push that back with the rake a little bit. Done. So there you go. It's actually a pretty clean front yard for us. It doesn't have much grass, but we don't have a lot of grass here on the farm. It's kind of nice actually. Less to mow. What happened, Candice?
I was trying to be nice and trim for the consumer's lady. And it fell in my hair.